What's good, fam? It's Asia, and this is Asia May Beauty, where I encourage you to embrace you and be bold in your hair, makeup, and lifestyle. Today, girl, we are doing something fun. I'm going to be giving myself a third hole here in my ear, and my husband is going to be doing it for me. So this is the kit right here. And girl, I bought the kit off of Amazon. I spent $10 whole. I'm going to be marking where my husband will push the button and he's gonna come push it. I have this link down in the description box if you want to purchase it, so you can click down there to cop yours. So these are auto disposable ear piercers. It says that there's no bleeding, it's spring driven, and you finish in a blink. So when you open this, it comes with 2 auto dispensers, also 2 alcohol pads, and then your skin marker for ear piercing. So as you can see, this ear is a lot closer together than the other ear. Like the lady who pierced my ear, she did it a lot closer together. I'm still gonna have the same spacing, I think, just so like I can choose not to wear this one. So these are the final marks for the piercing. So I'm gonna go double check this in a mirror and then grab my husband so he can do the click. You're gonna line it up, make sure this is behind my ear, line it up with the mark, squeeze it, you hear a click, and you slide it down.
Oh, slide it down?
From the earlobe.
It's gonna be in there. Yeah, open, still permanent.
Oh my gosh. Is it too high? No, it's not.
If I mess it up, just gotta live with it.
How about, you wanna pray? Lord, guide Miguel's hands. In Jesus' name. Amen.
I'm holding it like this, right? Should I go lefty or righty?
Oh Lord.
So now you want to get nervous, huh?
Because you're acting like you don't understand. Do you want to watch a video on how to do it?
No, I'm good. You know, I got my...
make sure it's all the way behind my ear, the little thing, and make sure you line it up.
Got my ears pierced when I was 11. I let it close up.
Do you have a good angle?
Don't be nervous now.
I'm very nervous. Do you feel confident?
I don't understand. Why are you so nervous now?
And
why do you have your other earrings in?
Because it needs to be in there.
Why?
And we can make sure the back is not too close to another back. Just make sure you put the...
As long as I put this spiky thing to the dot, I should be fine.
No,
right?
that has to be behind my earlobe.
I know. And then the spiky thing goes...
Oh, dang. What the heck? You pressed it.
It was like a try. What am I supposed to do? I barely pressed it. Oh, that's cheapo.
No, it's
look,
not.
Look, I pressed it that much.
It's a one-time release. You're not supposed to press it at all.
Oh, one-time release?
Yes.
Who told me that? You told me that? You gave it to me and said... Well, let me do one of them then.
I don't know. Now I'm afraid, because what if you do that again and it's not all the way in my ear, and then it's going to be...
That's it? Just one time?
Yes.
Oh, you just took it back off?
No, I put another back on.
Feel like I'm in position?
I can't see. I'm not watching.
You want to go for it? See, it's hard to tell if the back is in position. It's the back.
As long as it's behind my ear and the thing is lined up exactly on the dot. It's lined up exactly on the dot.
Like aiming a gun.
Is it exactly on the dot?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's got some trick, some sight right there.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, that's kind of dope.
This is very bothersome.
You ready for it? You ready for me to go for it?
Stop asking me.
I want to make sure you know when you get a shot.
Well, you're making it so much worse.
All right, you ready?
Why are you pushing it so hard against my ear?
So I can get it right. All right, that better. I am right over it. Ready for it?
Stop asking me.
I'm doing it.
Miguel.
I'm going in.
Oh, come on.
Oh, right on the dot. Dang it. I want to be tough. Boom. Boom, shakalaka.
That doesn't actually hurt.
It's a piercing. It should hurt, right?
No. What does it say to do to get that off?
I read directions.
Maybe you should.
Look at that.
How does it look?
You're welcome.
How does it look? It looks kind of
look at
low.
it.
Is it low?
Nah, that's good. Be grateful.
I'm grateful. Thank you. Can you help me find the other earring? All right, y'all. So it looks like I'm just going to have one ear pierced for now because of the whole incident with the other ear. But I like it. I'm going to clean it with my Claire solution. I've had this for a while. I got it when my twins got their ears pierced. I don't see an expiration date on it, so it should still be good. This one's not even open yet. It's a brand new bottle. So this is what I'll use for my piercings. I'll pierce the other one soon. I'm gonna go ahead and buy another kit from Amazon. So I'm gonna just take a little bit of this. Oh, dripped all on my phone. I'll just take a little bit of this and I'm gonna clean it. All right, you guys, so I think I'll be back with when the other kit gets here for this ear, but they do work. Just make sure that you inform whoever's pushing the button for you not to press it because it's a one-time release. If you press it, that's it. So yeah, girl. What's good, fam? Day 2, no makeup, chilling at the crib. Asia here to report that my Amazon package has arrived. Bam! Prime coming through with the next day shipping. So I ordered this last night right after the incident and it got here today around 1:00 p.m. Clutch, okay? So boom, here we have it, the same exact kit again, and we're about to get it popping. So this first side, it doesn't hurt or anything. This is the hole right here. It did itch for a second. I forgot it was there, so I kind of nicked it. And I was like, oh shoot, but I've been cleaning it twice a day, once in the morning, once at night, and it's doing really good so far. So as you can see, like the dot is still there from yesterday. So I just wiped it with an alcohol wipe and the dot is still there. So I'm really happy about that. But I also kind of feel like maybe I should dab it again, but I feel like my husband should be able to see that dot. So I'm gonna ask him. He got like 20/10 vision, so he should be good. All right, so we have our little sterilized gun, the one-time use press and release gun. And now I'm gonna go get my husband. Yeah, okay, so here's the rules. Don't keep asking me if I'm ready. Just make sure it's lined up and push all the way back in the back and everything, and then just press it. So that way, like, I don't know, you know, like getting the shot.
Ain't no rule.
I'm telling you, it's a rule right now.
I'm about to go for it.
Just make sure it's fully lined up and perfect like you did yesterday. Because you did it and good yesterday.
Thank you, my time. It's my compliment instead of talking trash.
I don't talk trash.
Kind of like how nervous this makes you.
It's terrible. It's horrible.
Give me a little thrill.
I have to give you a thrill. You like invoking pain on me?
Yeah, a little bit.
Why?
All the trash you been talking.
I
I'm
don't,
taking on you right now.
I don't talk that much trash.
In the name of beauty.
I don't talk that much trash. Woo, it's over. Thank you, Lord. That junk.
Straight down.
Woo. Oh, that looks good.
You're welcome.
Thank you, sir. All right, y'all. So my ear is done on both sides. Now, because I got my second hole done at Walmart and the lady did them uneven, this side does look a little bit off a little bit because this earring is too close to this earring. But I wanted to make sure that my third holes were even with each other, like even though the spacing was off on this wood, for the simple fact that I can keep my second hole out and it'll still look cute with just my first and my third. It definitely is a pinch, but it's not painful. It doesn't hurt right now. It's more so like you can just hear it springing and you know it's about to come. I think that's the worst part. But other than that, it's super quick, super easy. I have one more left and I'm gonna just save it just in case I'm feeling like I want a piercing at some point down the line, or I can give it away or something, I don't know. But I definitely recommend them for $10. I think it's totally worth it, and I would just do what you do when you go to the Claire's or to wherever you get your piercings done. Keep it in for at least 4 weeks and clean it and stuff, and then girl, switch it up. I'm switching mine to a hoop. I already know. But anyways, I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Remember to embrace you and be bold, and yeah girl, get you an ear piercing. Bye.